Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. Today's video I'm going to show you that how you can retouch your photo on the Remini app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Remini, and after opening the Remini we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. And now we need to choose the photo, that which photo you want to enhance or retouch. For example, I want to retouch this photo, so let's click on this one here, and I'm going to click on the enhance here again. So after clicking on the enhance, we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So as you can see, now the photo is enhanced. You can see the difference. And now you have to go to the face retouch. If you want to retouch your face, you have to click on the face retouch, and we have to wait for a few seconds and again until it load. As you can see, now you have to click on this one. You will be able to see different details. Like if you want to click on this one, you can focus on the face. As you can see, face is changing, some details are changing in the face. So I would prefer this first one, and let's click on this one here. So I think now it's enough for my face retouch. So in this way, if you want to click on the face enhancer, it will also enhance your face. So let's click on this, and we have to wait for a few seconds again. Like this is the second one, and this is the first one. Now you have to choose that which one you want. I want this one, so let's click on this, and now you just have to click on the download, and your enhanced photo will be downloaded and will be saved in your gallery. So in this way you can retouch your photo on the Remini. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.